How to use BAS-326G Programmable Electronic Pattern Sewer. HighTex BAS Serial's heavy-duty programmable electronic pattern sewing machine with cylinder bed and shuttle hook for high sewing quality. Including HighTex BAS-311G, BAS-326G, BAS-342G, BAS-42GXL and BAS-42GXXL. This film made by David. Step 1: The thread stand installation. Take out the thread stand. Install it onto table. Step 2: Checking. Check the hole on needle plate. Make sure that no stuff blocking the needle hole. The needle hole must within sewing frame. Step 3: Turn on the machine. This is the oil-water separator. Connect to the air compressor. Check if the air pressure is in normal range, 0.5-0.6 MPa. If the air pressure is not normal range, please adjust the air pressure. You just need to pull the cover upward. The value of oil-water separator is 0.5 to 0.6 MPa. After adjustment, push the cover to lock it. Connect to power supply, 220-240V 50-60 Hz, 1 phase. Press on to turn on the machine. Step 4: Introduction of basic switch. It is LED light switch. It is thread wiper switch. If your material is very thin, you need to turn on it. After trimming the thread wiper will work. This is emergency stop switch. If you need to stop the machine immediately, for example, the bobbin thread runs out, please press the emergency stop switch. Machine will stop immediately, and the machine will prompt you. After release the emergency stop switch, the prompt will disappear. This is thread break detection device. During the sewing production, if the upper thread breaks or bobbin thread runs out, machine will automatically stop. Step 5: Pattern transfer. Click the pattern transfer key. These patterns are already stored in the machine. Press this button to transfer patterns from U-disk. This interface displays the file name of pattern in the U-disk. Select the file name that you want to transfer. Press Confirm key. Here you can input pattern name or pattern number. Press Confirm key after fill in. See, the pattern has been transferred successfully. Name is ABC. Number is 111. Here you can select the patterns that's stored in machine. After selection the pattern. Here you can adjust the speed of pattern, depend on the thickness of material. Step 6. Trial sewing and adjust the start point. Whenever select a new pattern, you need to perform the trial sewing. This is the key for start point. When the sewing frame at top position, press this key, the sewing frame cannot back origin point. The system will prompt a presser foot is at up position. Down the sewing frame by pressing right foot pedal, the prompt will disappear. Press the origin point key, the sewing frame will back origin point. Make sure the needle hole is within the cutout of pressing frame. Down the sewing frame by pressing right foot pedal. Press the up or down arrow to move needle forward or backward. Press and hold the up arrow. Needle will continue moving forward till finish the trial sewing. Please watch carefully during trial sewing. Make sure the needle hole always within the cutout of pressing frame. After trial sewing, press the origin point key. Down the sewing frame by pressing right foot pedal. If the sewing pattern is not in proper position, please click this key, enter to the start point modify interface. The blue mark in the upper left corner of the pattern is the current start point. You can adjust the start point by pressing these arrow keys. For example, press the right arrow. The value of the x-axis displayed 15.9 millimeters. That means the start point moved to the right 15.9 millimeters. If you increase the value to 50, click confirmation key. Press exit key. Click the overwrite. Click confirmation key again. The start point of new sewing pattern moved to right 50 millimeters. Step 7. Adjust the height of intermittent presser foot. Prepare a piece of material. Put onto bottom plate. Make the edge of material close to the needle. Down the pressing frame. Press this key, enter the interface of setting presser foot height. Press this key. Needle down. Press up and down arrow to adjust the height of presser foot. Make the presser foot slightly lower than material surface. After adjustment, press confirm key. Step 8. Threading, winding, install the bobbin. Put bottom thread onto thread stand. Threading the bottom thread as we do in the video. Prepare a bobbin after threading. Wind bottom thread onto bobbin. Put the bobbin into winder. Push the holder to fix bobbin. Press the winding key. Enter into bobbin winding mode. Press the left pedal, start winding. The bobbin holder will be sprung out. When bobbin is full, press the left pedal, stop winding. Click the exit key to exit winding mode. Take out the bobbin case from rotary hook. Take the bobbin. Install bobbin into bobbin case. Trim the excess thread. The thread tail should be 5 to 6 centimeters. Install the bobbin case into rotary hook. Then put the upper thread on thread stand. Threading your machine as we do in the video. Down the intermittent presser foot for facilitate threading. After threading machine, cut the excess thread. The thread tail should be 5 to 6 centimeters. Step 9. Sewing. Lift the pressing frame. Install the material. Down pressing frame to fix the material. Press the left foot pedal to start sewing. After first sewing, check the top and bottom sides stitch quality. Make sure no skip stitch, bobbin thread knots, tangles and other stitching defects. If you have any additional question or contact our engineer at info@automatic-sewing.com. Thank you for your time.